guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. So today I will review this palette for you guys. This is newly launched by Maybelline. So I was actually excited to try this. I tried it a couple of times. Now I can share my review with you all. There are 4 shades available, 4 shades Maniki, 4 different palettes. I have chosen Urban Jungle, so which actually attracted me a lot. So if you want to know particularly about this palette, please keep on watching. So let's start with the packaging. This is how the packaging looks like. This is how it comes with the outer packaging. This is the carton which you have to just slide it out. So what this outer packaging has is basically backside you will see the shade of the palette, and then there are few details here. That is MRP 750 rupees. The product is of 6.1 gram and date of manufacturing, and it has 3 years of shelf life. Now let's see the actual palette. So this is how the actual palette looks like, and it has 6 shades, 6 different eyeshadow shades. So at the back side you can see different combinations which you can come up with by using this palette. Maybelline always has this kind of combinations given at the back side. You take any palette, any eye palette, they always have this kind of things given back, so nothing new about it. And it also has the manufacturing date on this, so if you miss the carton, you have the date on this particular box. It comes with this kind of brush. It has sponge applicator at one side and the normal flat kind of brush at one side. Now this doesn't come with the mirror, so you can clearly see the shades. Now this is the actual palette, how it looks like, and this is the matte color what it has. I think other palettes are not having matte color, but this particular palette is having a matte color. Rest all are shimmery shades. Now as you have seen the colors closely, you can actually come to know that how shimmery they are. Actually the pigmentation of these colors are very nice compared to the old palettes like Maybelline Nudes palette or other Maybelline palettes. As I said, there are 4 different palettes. I have chosen one, that is Urban Jungle, and the other 3 palettes what are there are mostly neutral or pinky or bronzy shades, which actually I don't want it because I already have those kind of shades. But when I saw this palette, I was actually looking forward for this. Now let's talk about the pigmentation of this palette, texture and pigmentation. I was trying to take swatches on my hand with brush, but it was not working. It was not coming that intense. Even on eyelid, I feel like with brush it's not coming that opaque or that intense. So if you really want the intensity, then you can use your fingers. This palette will give you that blacky or the eyes, so it's really good for smoky effect. Let's talk about the staying power. Staying power for this is okay when you use primer. It lasts up to 6 to 7 hours, but if you are not using primer and just applying it, the intensity will not be anyway show off that much, and it will just last for 3 to 4 hours, I guess. Then it will start fading away. What I feel is there is a difference when you actually see the palette, when you actually swatch them on your hand, and when you actually apply them on your eyelid. So they totally look different on all the places. You can use any eyeshadow primer. I'm using this eyeshadow primer from Essence and just applying 2 dots on my eyelid. Because I have already done my makeup, I'm going to actually apply a lot of powder under my eyes. I look horrible, right? Okay, anyway, this is to prevent any fallout. So I have this particular brown shade which I will just apply in my crease to create the transition effect, because it doesn't have any transition color. So I have taken one from my vanity. So I'll just try to intensify my transition line. Now first combination which I will do on my one eye is, I love this color. So this particular color I'm going to apply on all over my lid, and then I will apply this on the outer corner. So I will have that smoky, black smoky kind of effect. So I'm taking a flat brush. Okay, so now I'll take a kind of pencil brush and I will apply this matte shade on the outer corner. So I'm taking that Okay, this matte color is not that opaque, guys. It's very light. You have to build it. The same matte color, and I'll just apply it on my waterline. Now I will try to blend everything with that matte brown color again, which I used first time. So this is the first combination which I have tried. Now let's see what other combination we can use. Let's use first this. Okay, let's take this shade now, and I'm taking a lot because I feel this is not that pigmented. Let's see. Okay, it looks good. What I'll do is I'll try with my hand. Okay, let's see. Wow, look at it. With hand it's pretty much better. I will also intensify that pearly white color in the inner corner because it has faded a bit. Use this particular color. The color is gorgeous. It's like greenish color, greenish earthy color. I'll try to patch up all the things again with this color. Let's take this color again and let's apply it on waterline so that it will have again a smoky effect. It's closing down always. So maybe we can say this is a daytime and this is a nighttime look. So I wanted to give you these two options, and I have not applied any eyeliner on top of it because I just wanted to show you how this eyeshadow looks, just this eyeshadow. So this is how it looks, and I hope you liked it. That's all about the demo. Let's talk overall about pros and cons about this palette. The pro is the pigmentation is better, and you get good color combinations, and the shimmer effect is good. I think it would have been better if it was priced for 500 rupees because just 6 shades, even though they are shimmery and good shades, 500 would have been a better deal for this. So if you get that kind of deal, it's good, but 750 is slightly higher for this particular eyeshadow palette. So yeah, that's all about the review of this palette. If you have liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet, and please share it with your friends so that they will come to know about this particular palette and my channel too. I'll see you in my next video. Till that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.